Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with the new exercise of question answers of the chapter Flowers. So, children, first we are going to write the heading CW here on the corner and write the heading Flowers and the date, and you will write question number 1. And question number 1, the question is, draw, comma, name, NAME name, and AND color, COLOUR color, a flower which, WHICH, which grows, 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 INN, WATER, water. The flower which grows in water, you know that it is lotus. It is LOTUS, lotus. So you will write the answer 1, then you will write lotus, and then you have to underline this answer. Then the second question is, write 2 uses of flowers. Children, you can write some other uses also. There are many uses of flowers. If you want to write this which is written here in the copy, you can use that, or you can write something of your own. Okay, but it should be useful. It should be useful thing which is made by flowers. So now write 2 uses of flowers. Now answer will be like this. We use flowers for number alpha. We have to write A here. That this is the A part, making garlands, and B is offering it to God. Yes, we make garlands and we offer it to God. You can also write we make perfume, scent. Yes, different types of soaps are made from flowers, and it is used for making bouquet. It is used in decoration. It is used in food items, in sweets, just to give it a nice taste and aroma. So you can write the uses of flowers in your own different way. If you want to write this, you can write this. If you want to write something different, you can write that too. So children, you have to do this, and you have to draw the picture of a lotus on your interleaved side. So open to your interleaved side. Children, now you all have opened to your interleaved side of the copy, and now we are going to draw the lotus. So first we are going to draw this petal. Be careful while drawing. It should be neat. Now another petal we are going to draw. Please use a sharpened pencil while drawing. Ma'am's flower might be crooked, but you please draw properly. I'm holding a camera in one hand and it's difficult to draw. So this is the stem of the lotus, and please don't forget to draw leaves, big leaves of lotus. Yes, lotus have very big leaves. These are the veins, and you have to name it, write the name. Whenever you draw, you write the name lotus, LOTUS, lotus. And this is how we have completed our picture, and now we have to color it. Do the outlining first, and then you can start coloring it. Color in one direction, children. It has to be really neat. There should be no white stains left. Everything has to be colored. Just color it in one stroke, and don't forget to draw water below, because lotus always grows in water, so you have to show the water also at the bottom of the flower. Now we're going to color the leaves. First we'll color the water blue. I'm going to use blue. We'll make small waves, then it look good. See, I'm making waves now, small waves. This is a small puddle of water. Now we're going to color the leaves. Leaves are green in color. I'm going to make the veins first, and then outlining has to be done, and then I'll color it in one direction. The same procedure for the another leaf. So this is how we have completed our picture. Do the outlining of the leaves properly, and now the picture is completed. So children, please draw it neatly, and don't forget to color the stalk and color it properly. See, I'm coloring the stalk also. So please children,